Namaskar everyone. It's time to learn KitPix. As we all know and we have discussed in the last class also that KitPix is a drawing software program and it is designed specially for you guys, for you children. Okay. So we use our creativity, we use some programs to develop beautiful pictures as we have discussed in the last classes also. And today also we will be discussing the same thing but with one more new tool. So first tool that we will be learning is about the draw tool, and we have learned in the last class also. Okay, this is my KitPix window. Okay, so this is draw, and we have learned in the last class also that when I click on this draw window, what will happen? Pencil will come, chalk will come, crayon, colored pencil. Okay, and different sizes will come and different shapes will come. We can draw lot of shapes, lot of figures with the help of our pencil, with the help of drawing tools. So the KitPix drawing tool consists of 4 drawing tools. We have learned in the last class also that how many tools it consists. Draw tool consists of how many drawing tools? It consists of 4 drawing tools, that is chalk, pencil, crayon and yes, marker. Okay, then we can, with the help of draw button, we can draw it. We can take different sizes, we can make different shapes, we can make rectangle, filled rectangle, oval, filled oval. I will show you practically also. Let us learn theoretically first and then we will be learning practically also. Now the next tool that we have learned in the last class also, but we will be doing it in this class, in this week also, that is paint tool. In the paint tool, we will click on paint button. After that paint button, what will happen? You can see this 3 options: paint brush, spray can and the sound. We will not be learning the sound one. We will be learning about paintbrush and the spray can. Okay, when I click on this paintbrush, definitely the sizes will come. That comes in the draw tool also. Yes or no? Do you remember that some sizes come? Okay, then comes with the realistic paint mode. Okay, these are the few paint option. You can choose any paint option, and these are the wacky paint mode. In this, some pictures will come. Okay, these are some options and you can choose whichever option you want. You can choose it. Then comes with the spray can. In the spray can, there is a 3-dimensional balloon shape, candy shaped, bugs, bubbles, creature, flying, hop, and wiggle. It is very interesting. I will show you practically that how we will use it. Okay. Then the next thing that we will be learning is about the eraser. Definitely, if we are making our drawing, we need the eraser. Eraser is required. Eraser means if I draw something and if I want to erase some part, what I will do? I will use eraser. Erasers are lot of type. That means one is little eraser that is being above the pencil and another is big eraser. Okay. So the little eraser, what it will do? It will erase the line that I want to erase. And when I click on big eraser, what will happen? A bomb will flash and it will delete all the parts of the picture. Okay, and there is one more eraser, that is a firecracker. Okay, when I click on this, it will erase each and everything. Now it's time to learn practically. Okay, ma'am is showing you practically about the KitPix. Let us open KitPix. So I clicked on the KitPix software, I double click and see how it opened. See how the sound will come, and then they will ask on my name. You can write your name, you can write anyone name, and then click on go option. So first we will click on draw option. By default the draw window is here, and then click on any tool. Right now crayon is selected, so a line is being drawn automatically. And if the line is drawn and I don't need this draw line, so we will click on eraser. I told you about the eraser, so we will click on this eraser, and there is 2 type of eraser. First is the small eraser and this one is the big eraser. Let us take the small eraser and let us rub it. See, just I'm clicking on the left click of the mouse and what is happening? My line is got erased. This is how my eraser works. Okay. And what does this big eraser do? Let us check this also. So when I click on this big eraser and then I just click on this, what will happen? a bomb got blasted and everything got vanished. Is it okay? So let us click on draw option, and it is just like firecracker also. When I click on this firecracker mode now, see, when I click on this, if now nothing is being written. When I click on this, automatically a bomb appeared, and everything, whatever we have written, whatever we have drawn, is being removed or vanished. Let us take a draw option. Let us take a pencil. How to change the color? I have told you. There is a paste over here. Click on this paste and choose whichever color you want. I know girls love pink color. So I'm taking a pink color. This is the size option, that which size you want. A small, a bigger, or the biggest one. So I'm taking the bigger one. Let us draw a pens. Let us draw a line. Okay. So I have choose a curved line over here. Let us choose a line tool. And see, I'm making a hut with the help of line tool. So I'm making a hut. See, I have made a hut. Now, you can draw accordingly. And then I am drawing a line to complete my hut. This is how my hut is being prepared. You can use the square tool. You can use this filled square tool. Change the color. Change yellow color for the door. Let us change it. Let us make a door. Let us make 2 doors. So it's over here. Let us change now orange color, and again we'll take it and let us make a door again. So in my house there are 2 doors. So this is how I have created a door. Let us make a window. Let us take a oval tool, and I have drawn a window over here. Can you see that? This is how I can draw it. Is it okay? So this is the use of draw tool. I can use pencil, I can use chalk, I can use crayons, I can use highlighter, I can choose the colors. It is up to you. Now it's time for the paint. When I click on the paint option, what will happen? When I click on this paint option, what will happen? There are 2 options, that is paint brush and the spray can. In this, the first option is paint brush. I will choose when I click on this paint brush, okay, so in this paint brush, over here there are 2 options, that which type of paint I want. Over here there are different types of paint. For example, I want the star type, I want this flower type, bubbles. Okay, so let us choose the star type of paint and then choose the color also. So I'm choosing yellow color, and see, as in just clicking one click, and see the color is very light. Let us change it into blue color. So you just click on the paint and see it's looking very beautiful now. Let us choose another paint also. Let us take a flower. Let us take a flower. Let us take the flower and just let us take the flower. Let us take the flower and then draw the flower over here. Let us draw the flower over here. And see, I have drawn the flower over here. So I can choose bubbles also. See, I can take the bubbles also. This is how I can draw it. And I can color it also like this. I can color it in the lot of ways. So this is how I can do it. Okay. Then in this paint option, there are 2 options over here. There is a balloons. There is breaks. There is something written. And then there's written something over here. There are breaks. There is trees. So you can draw a tree also. You can draw balloons also over here. You can draw a lot of balloons. You can make your background very beautiful. You can take a rainbow also over here. You can draw a rainbow also. Okay. And you can draw a circle also like this. So it's very beautiful. Just with a click, it all happens. And isn't it beautiful? Let us take the spray can. Then now, what is the use of the spray can? When I click on the spray can, there are 2 options. First is this balloons. Another one is this animals one. When I click on this balloons one, I can choose whichever shape I want. Over here, there are different shapes. Let us take this bug. When I click on this bug, what happened? Bug comes. Let us choose the balloons, and what will happen? My balloon comes. Different shapes of balloons come. When I click on this stones or pebbles, different pebbles comes. Can you see this? Different pebbles are coming. Isn't it looking very beautiful? When I click on this caterpillar option, what happened? There are a lot of things. Let us choose one butterfly. When I click on this butterfly, what will happen? Different butterfly comes. When I click on this flowers, what happened? With the one click, different flower comes. Isn't it looking very beautiful? When I click on this frog, what will happen? Different frogs come. Okay, so with the help of paint, what will happen? With one click, you can use a lot of things. Okay, you can choose her with the help of the paintbrush tool. Now we want to learn about the eraser tool. Let us learn about the eraser tool. Just click on the eraser and we will click on this small eraser. You can, with the help of small eraser, you can rub it. And when I click on this big eraser, what will happen? I will just click on this and what happened? A bomb will occur and everything would be deleted. I hope you have learned about the draw tool, text tool, and the last one is the eraser tool. I hope it is clear. Bye bye, all of you. Take care, all of you.